This video will explain the basic settings for this event setup. It includes how to create new events, different event types, limitations and max entries, entry fees, mass copy, and how to create an event file. So, in your Swimify Meet Manager, you need to go to the Events tab. And first we start to create a new event. As you can see, there are multiple choices. The most common are time final event, preliminary heats with a single final, or preliminary heats with AB or BA finals. And the difference between these two is that here you swim the A final ahead of the B finals, and here you swim the B final ahead of the A final. First, we choose a time final event. Number 1, we select the event. For example, 50-meter freestyle. We select the class, men, and we specify the ages, 13 to 99, for example. To the right, we can specify some more values. For example, how many swimmers that we allow to swim. And there are two options. Either we can base it on the total number of swimmers or per age group. In this example, I will choose the total number. And I specify here, we allow 6 swimmers with 2 reserves. We also add an entry fee in order to ease the charging work afterwards. This is the basics for event number 1. We create event number 2, make it with heats and the BA finals. We get number 2. We specify the event, for example, 100-meter breaststroke for men. We take the same ages, but this time no limitations, just the fee. And the last event in this competition will be a time final and a relay. And now I will show you how to cut some time when you have many events to create. First, you mark the event that you want to copy from. I choose number 1 because that is finished. And then I press the button Mass Copy. So I will copy from event number 1. And what can I copy? Well, I can copy the class, because we're just men in this competition. The ages. The max entries. And the fees. And also the limit type. And I will copy that to event number 3. And here you can have many events that you want to copy to. Okay, are you sure? Yes. Now we can see that event number 3 has the ages, it has the limitations, and it has the fees. So we have copied the right fields. We have now created the basic information for 3 events. In the next 2 videos I will go into details about rounds, age groups, text headers and records. After you have finalized all the basics and all the details, it's time to create the event file. And here you have 2 options. You have, depending on what country you're in, Linux or high-tech. In this example I will choose the Linux. We'll create the Linux file. And now you're ready to take your Linux file and send it out to swim clubs for registration of entries.